Good day and welcome back BIT to LD. So once again, I am your free service teacher, Mag-Ira Balcomero. And for today's discussion, we are going to discuss about preparing and serving coffee beverages. So first, we have hot and cold coffee. So same coffee has a different taste. That's the flavor mystery that will unfold if you are trying a brewing single coffee with both and hot coffee cups. So why does temperature make such a difference? So we have here the Starbucks partner, Rene Franchin, is a chemist and a coffee master. Helps unravel the details in the experiment because as you say, coffee is a chemistry. So now, we will proceed to breaking it down. So when we say breaking it down, temperature and time can change the flavor of the coffee by affecting the rate of oxidation, which is the rate at which the oils, acid, and sugars in the coffee break down. So it depends on how quickly the process happens, the aroma, flavor, and even the texture of each cup can greatly differ. So the best result come from knowing how to draw out a favorite coffee flavors by combining the right temperature and grind for your brewing method. So let's proceed to turn up the heat. So when we say turn up the heat, the coffee dissolves most rapidly at 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. That's mean heat dissolve aroma and flavor compound quickly. So giving hot coffee that signature scent and a touch of a bitterness on the top. So when we start to turn off the heat, this is where the coffee dissolves the aroma and flavor. The next one is we have chill it out. So when we say chill it out, these are the cold brew coffee required some patience as brew times can reach from hours to days. So cold water pulls flavor from the coffee grounds far more slowly than hot water, resulting in a natural, sweeter, and softer flavor. Now, kindly take a look at this picture. So we have here the hot brewed and cold brewed. So what's the different taste between hot brewed coffee and a cold brewed coffee? So as you can see, for the hot brewed coffee, it has a nice balance of acidity and sweetness. It is really good, rounded feel and kind of dry on the finish. While in a cold brew, it has a smell so much sweeter and a little bit less acidity and a lot of sweetness. Kind of smooth texture while compared with the hot. Before we proceed to our next topic, once again, hot and cold beverages are same coffee but different in taste and require different temperature that gives the coffee its own aroma and characteristic. And why does Rene Franchin said that the temperature makes such a difference? Because of his or her experiment, she found the secret. Breaking it down, turn up the heat, and chill it out. And lastly, the hot brewed and cold brewed has a different taste. So for the hot brewed, it has a nice balance of acidity and sweetness, while the cold brewed smells so much sweeter. And now, we are going to proceed to our next topic, which is basic espresso beverages. So last meeting or last topic, we discussed about the different espresso-based coffee. But now I am going to show you a different basic espresso beverages. So let's start. So the first one is we have the espresso. So once again, espresso is a concentrated coffee beverages brewed by forcing hot water under pressure to the ground coffee using espresso machine. So espresso is a base for various coffee drinks. So espresso used in a different coffee, like for different types of coffee drinks. So for the espresso, we have 1 shot or 30 ml of espresso. So the next one is we have the doppio or double espresso. So what do we call it doppio? Because it is a double espresso, may also be listed as doppio, which is the Italian word for doppio. So 2 shots of espresso or 6 ml of espresso. So the cup that we need to use is 3 to 4 ounce Dematas. The next one is we have here the Ristretto. So Ristretto, it is an espresso shot plus half the amount of water. So Ristretto is espresso adding a water. And the ingredients that we need is, or the proportion that we need in Ristretto is a 1 shot of espresso, which is 30 ml, and 15 ml of water. So, or the fourth one is the lungo, or lungo. It's an espresso, but with much more water. It's so similar to Americano, but lungo is strong. So we have the 60 ml less concentrated espresso. So the cup that we need to use is 3 to 4 ounce Dematas. The fifth one is we have the Americano. So this is the picture of the Americano. It is an espresso with hot water. The water dilutes the espresso while still maintaining a high level of coffee. So the proportion that we need is 6 ml espresso and 90 ml of hot water. So Americano has a much water and has a less of espresso. So the cup that we might use is 5 to 6 ounce less coffee. The next one is we have the macchiato. So macchiato is also the espresso-based coffee. It is an espresso-based coffee drinks with a small amount of foam. So some trivia. So macchiato is called as a marked or stained coffee because macchiato is, or the macchiato is discovered by the baristas to distinguish the difference between espresso and the macchiato. So when we are doing macchiato, it is simply a steam milk or foam milk that added first in your cup, and the next step is adding the espresso into that foam or steam milk coffee. So we have 30 ml espresso, 1 to 2 foam milk. So the cup that we might use is 3 to 4 ounce Dematas. So the next one is the flat white. So a 2-shot espresso with milk. It is a comparable to latte but smaller in volume. So last time when you are doing a latte, you put the milk into the espresso base, right? So when you put the coffee or the milk in the espresso that is called flat white. But if you put some foam into it, you will create some latte. Next one is Breve or blueberry. The Breve provides a decadent twist on the average espresso, adding steam half and half to create a rich and creamy texture. So do we say it is half and half? So because we use 30 ml espresso and 90 ml, half of the steam milk and half of the foam milk. So the cup that we must use is 5 to 7 ounce low. So the next one is we have the Romano. So for the Romano, it is a simple espresso with a lemon. So 30 ml espresso with a slice of lemon. The next one is Confana. So Confana, it means espresso with cream in Italian. So it is a simple 30 ml, simple espresso with a whipped cream at the top of it. And that is the look of Contact. The next one is we have the affogato. So affogatos are more on the dessert coffee than a coffee. They made by pouring a shot of espresso over a scoop of vanilla ice cream to create a sweet after filter. So affogato is a simple ice cream with a shot of an espresso. So you can create your own design in affogato, like adding some sprinkles or syrups. It depends on you. So affogato mas commonly known as a dessert coffee than a coffee itself. So the next one is we have the Vienna. It is espresso and whipped cream. The whipped cream takes the place of milk and sugar to provide a creamy texture. So we need to have 1 to 2 shots of espresso and 2 ounces of whipped cream. It is look like in Confana. So the next one is we have the cafe au lait. So cafe au lait is a typical made with French press coffee instead of an espresso shot. To bring out the different flavors in coffee, it is then paired with scalded milk instead of steamed milk and poured at 50/50 ratio. So the ingredients that we might use is 5 ounce French press coffee, 5 ounce scalded milk. And the cup that we might use is 12 ounce coffee. And now for our last topic, it is all about the coffee consumption. First, let us define what is consumption. So consumption is a simple mixture of a different ingredients that make an instant for everyone. So coffee consumption gone are days when coffee was just something to start our day with. These days, people enjoy coffee at any given time, in the morning, after meals, or whenever one needs a caffeine boost to cope with stress. Instant coffee mixes have become an essential part of our everyday, as they both offer quality and convenience. So according to the San Miguel Great Food Club, there are many more ways to enjoy instant coffee apart from the usual. Just add water with. So here are some. So the first one is we have the brown Irish coffee. So the ingredients that we need is 25 grams San Miguel coffee brown. This is the instant coffee. So we have the 1/8 cup cream and 1 cup hot chocolate and 3 to 5 pieces ice cubes. So we use also the garnish or pinch of nutmeg with cream. So procedure, combine everything together in a shaker and add 3 to 5 pieces of ice cube. Shake and transfer in a glass. Top with whipped cream and sprinkle nutmeg. Then serve it cold. So this is the brown Irish coffee looks like. This one is we have the chocolate macchiato. So in chocolate macchiato, the ingredients that we need is 2 tablespoons white chocolate, 25 grams of sun-made coffee sugar, 1 tablespoon of orange peel and 2 tablespoons orange juice, and 1 cup Magnolia Pure fresh milk, and the garnish is whipped cream and cinnamon powder. So the procedure is simple. Combine everything together and simmer for 8 minutes. Then you need to transfer in a glass and put whipped cream Then sprinkle some cinnamon powder and serve. So chocolate macchiato. The next one is we have the Thai-inspired chocolate coffee. So the ingredients are simple. So, cup hot chocolate, 25 gram of Sunny coffee white, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 cup coconut cream, and 3 to 5 pieces ice cubes. So the procedure is combine everything together in a shaker and 3 to 5 and add 3 to 5 pieces of ice cube. Shake and transfer in a glass. So drop some lemon skin and stir using lemon glass. And it serves cool. So the last one and the most commonly known coffee, instant coffee beverages is the coffee gel. So the ingredients are 3 sachets of Sunweek coffee ground, 3 cup water, 2 cup coffee jelly, market ball, slice in cube. So 2 cup tube, ice, and white whipping cream. So optional. The procedure is in a mixing bowl, combine coffee and water. Whisk until the coffee dissolves. Transfer 1 cup of mixture in a coffee mug and add 3 tablespoons of the coffee jelly and ice cream. You may top the coffee with a whipped cream, then serve while hot. You can make 3 to 4 servings. So, and this is the example of different ways to enjoy instant coffee apart from the usual coffee. To give you some additional information, there's a lot of things you might add in your instant coffee beverages. It depends on your taste and your creativity. So try to make your own coffee using using the availability flavor or the availability things that you have in your house. So try it and make your own coffee into your instant coffee. And that's it for preparing and serving coffee beverages. I hope that every one of you understand our topic for today. So, next meeting or for your assignment, next meeting we will be having a graded recitation. And to know if you really watch this video, I want you to comment in our GCR that you are present for today. So just write your name, the time, and the day. It is clear, class. And also, for the last assignment, in a yellow paper, write a summarization about the discussion today. This will serve as your assignment and attendance. So, take a picture of your work and pass it to our GCR. Pass it also in our next meeting. The due date is on April 13, 2023. If there was the other reminders or announcement will be posted in our GCR. So, I hope that every one of you have a great weekend and have a great day. So,